to make your own DIY flaxseed gel to boost hair growth. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of flaxseed, 2.5 cups of water, essential oils, optional, and aloe vera, optional. Directions: pour 1/4 cup flaxseed into 2.5 cups of water. Bring to boil on medium heat for about 7 to 10 minutes, stirring often to ensure the flax seeds don't stick to the bottom of the pan. You'll want the texture of the flaxseed mucilage, the gel-like substance you'll put on your hair, to consistent with egg whites. Not too thick, not too runny. Now, turn off the stove and allow the gel to cool with the flaxseed for 45 minutes to an hour. During this time, the gel will thicken. Next, place a knee-high stocking in a glass measuring cup, then pour the mixture into the stocking. Here's the fun part. Squeeze the gel out of the stocking and into the measuring cup to strain the gel. This will take a few tries. This step is optional, but you can add aloe vera gel and a few drops of your go-to essential oil to your mixture. To temper an itchy scalp, try adding tea tree oil. For hair growth, try adding a few drops of lavender oil. Next, pour your gel into a glass bottle or jar and store in the refrigerator. Enjoy your new DIY flaxseed gel for moisturizing, edging, and styling. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.